Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
In the name of Allah, entirely beneficent, entirely merciful.
ولحم طير مما يشتهون وحور عين
And there will be companions with beautiful, big, and lustrous eyes,
كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون
like unto pearls well guarded,
جزاء بما كانوا يعملون
and with fruits any that they may select, and the flesh of fowls any that they may desire.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا تأثيما إلا قيلا سلاما سلاما
A reward for the deeds of their past life. No frivolity will they hear therein, nor any taint of wisdom. Only the same peace, peace.
وأصحاب اليمين ما أصحاب اليمين
The companions of the right hand. What will be the companions of the right hand?
في سدر مخضود وطلح منضود وظل ممدود
They will be among low trees without thorns, among tall trees with flowers of fruit piled one above another, in shade long extended,
وماء مسكوب وفاكهة كثيرة
by water flowing constantly, and fruit in abundance,
لا مقطوعة ولا ممنوعة وفرش مرفوعة
whose season is not limited nor supply forbidden, and on thrones of dignity raised high.
إنا أنشأناهن إنشاء فجعلناهن أبكارا
We have created the companions of spatial creation, and made them virgin pure and undefiled,
عربا أترابا لأصحاب اليمين
beloved by nature, equal names, for the companions of the right hand.
ثلة من الأولين وثلة